Let me talk you through this vocabulary lesson that I did in class yesterday. I wanted to cover one of my favourite poems, If, by Rudyard Kipling. Now, before we delved into the comprehension side of things, I wanted to make sure the children had a thorough understanding of some of the more unfamiliar words and vocabulary in the poem. The first task was to try and collate all the unfamiliar words from the children, and to do that we used the brilliant app Mentimeter, which is absolutely free to use, and I've done a step-by-step tutorial video on my website. And this is what the class generated, this lovely word cloud where the most common unfamiliar words appear biggest. The next step was for the children to learn the meaning behind some of these unfamiliar words. So we got a copy of the poem online. The children then went to rewordify.com, which is this brilliant app that just simplifies difficult English. You can paste the text in and then have the more unfamiliar, difficult words highlighted with simpler definitions. But the children can tap on any word that's unfamiliar and get a definition. But then there's the option to select some of those unfamiliar words and go through a series of activities that can then help children learn what the word means, how it's spelled, its use in a sentence. And so the children could work through all of these activities for all of these words. And then it was time for them to demonstrate what they've learned. So I uploaded their word cloud to Seesaw. They could press the three dots, copy and edit, and then using the shape option, they could put a shape around the word, but obviously we didn't want to fill the shape in, so sort of the outline of the shape. Put that over one of the words, where they can then press the three dots, tap voice and record their voice, giving a definition of the word, but also an example of it in context in a sentence.